So hello guys, this is Angel and you're watching Angel's Way of Adventure. And now I see a seagull. That one, I'm gonna rescue it because I think it has a hook and a line. Some fishermen don't care about the birds, they just leave their line in there. That's why I'm cleaning it. And we're gonna rescue it. I'm gonna use my rod and the treble hook so that I can snag the line and rescue the bird. It's pretty unfortunate to this bird, so hope we can catch him and rescue the lovely birds. So bear with me guys. See, this bird is he's not gonna let go of my hand. Come on, I'm gonna rescue you. I'm not gonna hurt you. Oh no. He swallowed it. He swallowed it. Well, see guys. Oh, the bird swallowed a hook. I cannot do anything about it. I'm just gonna cut the line. It's pretty. I hope. Look at it, and she's not gonna die. Some fishermen don't care about birds. I cut the line as much as I could. So bye bye bird. We are so sorry for you. Don't be mad, okay? Look. Ah! Don't bite me. I just help you, okay? Okay, I know. You're angry to the fisherman who left a hook and a bait. And there's a fucking huge sinker with it. I show you guys the line that is attached to that. See, there's a very huge sinker with it. And the line. And we're gonna release this bird. No, don't hurt yourself. You're alright now. Go on. One happy bird rescue. Okay. I hook my nuts. So that's it guys. It's a important message to all the fishermen out there. Don't leave a hook with the line and with the bait with it, because the seagulls, the other birds will gonna eat it and they're gonna swallow it. And I hope that bird will be okay. I don't know. There's a hook inside his body. Oh, that's very unfortunate, but we're rescuing. He's not gonna starve and he can fly free. So guys, please don't put any hook with a line, with a bait, and with a sinker out in the open when you leave the place. Please clean it. Just a little advice for our fellow anglers out there. So I hope you enjoy it. One happy bird this morning.